So this time I got very less. Wear it wherever you want, here और here. सैमसंग के भी अच्छे, लाइक सैमसंग के इंडिया में अगर कवर ढूंढो ना इतने महंगे मिलते हैं, एंड शीन पे इट वाज लाइक जस्ट एज सेम रेट एज आईफोन, यू नो. यू नीड टू ऑर्डर. So this time I got very less clothes because last मैंने clothes वाला haul बनाया था ना, तो मुझे ना इतना clothes में इतना मज़ा नहीं आया because like just like Urbanic, जो Urbanic पे आपको मिलता है क्वालिटी वही सब कुछ वही सेम है. So अब मैंने clothes नहीं मंगाई, इस बार मैंने accessories मंगाई, bags मंगाए and shoes मंगाए. So it's amazing. This is the bag. See? It looks so pretty and the quality is really nice. It's great for everyday use and it matches all of your outfits. So it's like so pretty and so convenient. मैं इसको institute में लेकर जाती हूँ आजकल. I got another lashes. The lashes from Shein are so good, so cheap and like so good. They are reusable and they look so natural. So इस बार मैंने कुछ अलग सा style मंगाया. It looks like this. I'll wear it. Then है ये ring. तो मतलब जो भी आई जा रहा है ना साइड बाय साइड मैं वो आपको दिखा रही हूँ. मैं ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक निकाल कर नहीं कर रही हूँ. एंड जब मुझे लगेगा कि बहुत लंबा हो गया वीडियो तो मैं सेकंड पार्ट बना लूँगी इसका. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द रिंग लुक्स लाइक. सी ऐसी रिंग्स ना H&M पे आपको मिलेंगी 700-800 रुपये की, और यहाँ से मुझे आई थिंक 150 कुछ रुपीज़ की मिली होगी, या फिर आई थिंक 200 रुपीज़ ऐसा कुछ लगा लो. एंड सी द क्वालिटी इज़ सो नाइस एंड इट जस्ट लुक सो फैशनेबल एंड यू नो यू कैन स्टाइल इट इन डिफरेंट वेज. ऐसा बहुत चल रहा है आजकल ट्रेंड. एंड Shein accessories are so nice, like they are so fashionable and trendy. I think celebrities are also wearing this. Then before I forget, I got this phone cover. This is like I got two of these because I have two phones, because one is business phone and one is my personal use phone. And this is like so nice cover. I got so many covers from Shein. This is like you can like you know hang it on yourself so that you don't lose it. I love it. Uske baad I also got this one. I love this so much. Look, it has a pocket in the side. And you can add in your cards or cash or whatever you want, and you can also hang this as like on a side, or you know if you don't want to lose your phone just like I do, you can just hang it. It's so pretty. It looks so classy. Honestly, it's my favorite. अभी मैं उसको use कर रही हूँ. Then I got this. This is like a pack of beauty blenders, puff. Then we also have like you know जो hand में पहनने वाले rubber band होते हैं जब आप face wash करते हो. And then there is one hair band also. ऐसे के मैंने 3 लिए थे, पता नहीं 4 लिए थे, for my mom, for बहू, for my sister, and तो आई थिंक मैंने 4 लिए थे ये वाले. तो आगे अगर आपको दिखेंगे तो यू नो दिस इज इट. ओके एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि गुगू शू के लिए स्पैरो शू एंड नॉडी शू, यू नो मेरे सिस्टर की दो मेरे सिस्टर के ट्विंस हैं, स्पैरो एंड नॉडी, एंड गुगू शू इज़ माई ब्रदर्स डॉटर. यू गाइज नो ऑल ऑफ दीज 3 पीपल, 3 बेबीज़. उनके लिए मैंने बहुत सारा सामान मंगाया. उसका हॉल मैं नहीं डाल रही हूँ बिकॉज दैट इज़ इररेलेवेंट फॉर यू गाइज. तो वो वाले प्रोडक्ट्स मैं साइड पे कर दूंगी, बट उनके लिए भी हमने बहुत सारा क्यूट स्टफ मंगवाया. लाइक इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. अगर आपको देखना है मैंने क्या क्या मंगाया तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पर मुझे फॉलो करो. मैं वहाँ पर टैग करती रहूँगी जब भी वो यूज़ करेंगे कुछ भी. आई विल टैग इट फॉर यू गाइज. एंड अगर आपका कोई भी रिश्तेदार रहता है दुबई में, बाहर जहाँ पे भी शीन काम करता है, you need to order because the stuff is so cute. I can't even like मैं Sephora वगैरह तो भूल ही गई थी after looking at Shein because मुझे ना वो छोटी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आती हैं. Next I got these flip flops from Shein. This is like a chappal that you can wear at home or even out because it looks nice. This is how it looks like and it is very comfortable. I tried it. इसमें और भी बहुत सारे shades थे, colors थे, but this is like my favorite color currently. Dusty pink color is like my go-to and I like it. Next up I have this beautiful handbag. I don't have a red color handbag, but this one when I saw it I was like, I'm gonna get this because it's so beautiful. Whenever you wear like blue jeans and white shirt or something and you know red bag is a vibe. Okay, this is like more on the casual side, so I really like it. So nice. The quality of the bags are so good. Like bags, heels, shoes, everything is so nice. I love this so much. Okay, तो मैं ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूँगी, बहुत फटाफट करूँगी बिकॉज मेरे पास पूरा कार्टून पड़ा हुआ है. लाइक ठीक है, आई नो यू गाइज वांट टू सी ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ बट आई हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक. आई कांट बी लाइक टेकिंग द नाइट फॉर दिस. I got these rhinestones stockings. Of course, like I haven't tried them. I'm like very lazy to try them, but I love rhinestone stockings. So I got one for myself in like brownish color, which is like very close to my skin color, as you guys can see when I wear this. इसका पता नहीं चलेगा. This is so cute. This is like a charger का cover, like आपका जो भी iPhone का charger होता है उसका cover है ये. And look at this. It is like the cutest thing ever. I just opened this super quickly to show you. This is the cover, and this is like the जो भी चार्जर की वायर है, केबल है, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. Cutest. My God, I love this kind of stuff. ऐसा stuff ढूंढना मतलब Shein पे is like so too good. So we have another bag. This is like more on the fancy side. This is like a maroonish color. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love this. This is like a shoulder bag, and इसकी जो chain है, जो भी इसका है handle, वो अंदर है इसके. And this is like a velvet finish. It looks very classy, honestly. Suits my skin tone. Next we have another pair of lashes. These are like more on the, oh, they are so flirtatious and, you know, very long. Things are for dramatic looks. This one is going to be very nice. And even this one, this is so long. Oh my God, if I start doing makeup artistry and, you know, taking clients, I think these lashes. Next I got this. I got this in so many colors, like I am posting content about it. So it's like I got it in purple, black, white, red, and this is like, I'll show you what this is. This is a neck piece. Okay, this is like a choker that you wear here, and it looks so pretty. It just lifts up your look. So I got this in like different colors, like so many colors, purple, white, red, black, because it just looks good. It is like trending also right now. I saw Tara Sutaria wore it and I just couldn't stop, so I got it for myself. Oh, this one I really like. It's so nice. It looks branded, you know. This is the bag. Can style it in so many ways. The chain is inside. This is how the strap looks like. Easy, normal, very simple, and it looks elegant, you know. It looks like a workwear bag. You can take it to work. I love it so much. I love all the bags I got. मैंने एक बैग रिटर्न किया था, वो ब्लैक कलर का था, क्योंकि मैंने चार्ल्स एंड कीथ से ब्लैक कलर का बैग ले लिया था, तो मैंने वो वाला रिटर्न कर दिया. I have another चार्जर का कवर. This is like the cutest cover ever. दोनों मैंने पिंक कलर के मंगाए ताकि पता चले रिया के चार्जर्स हैं, you know. घर में कभी आपका चार्जर कोई ले लेता है, कभी कोई ले लेता है. My covers are going to come for you now. No one's gonna take my charger. Oh then, क्योंकि मैंने इतना सारा ऑर्डर किया, शीन ने मुझ पे तरस खा के मुझे ये पाउच फ्री में गिफ्ट कर दिया, which is not bad. Like you can use this. You can use this as key ring though. Fashion jewelry. I think ये मेरा पिछला haul में से है. These are the earrings. They are so pretty, dangly, and I love them. Okay, this is my AirPods का cover. मैंने haul में use करना था, इसीलिए मैंने अभी तक डाला नहीं AirPods पे. But this is so, at that, it's so dangly. Next I have this fashion choker, you can say, and it's like a Barbie. You come out of a Barbie movie or something. It's a very nice choker. I'll put a picture of everything so that you guys can have an idea. This is how it looks like. It has so many layers. I love it. I love chokers. आजकल फिर से chokers trend में आ गए हैं. I have a clarification before I let you guys see this. I got this just for content creation because this is like too heavy for my styling, but I can style it in a way. Look at that. I mean, too heavy. Like, it's so pretty. Like, look, it's so like dramatic and so me. I love it so much. And the quality is like so good. I got a choker like this from Kazo, and it's like not this heavy, but this one, wear it wherever you want, here or here, but I love it so much. I'll use this like for content creation because of course Instagram likes everything dramatic and over the top, so I'm going to use this. Otherwise I could have returned it because it was like too much for me, but I love it so much. एक कपड़ा मंगा लिया मैंने. This one, this is a corset, like it's a crop top to wear, like ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है टॉप ये. एंड जो मैंने अभी पहना हुआ है ये भी मतलब सेट ऑफ 4 का इनर्स का था, तो बॉडी सूट्स का था, तो ये भी मैंने ले लिया था. ऑलराइट गाइज, आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द पार्ट 2. आई एम नॉट श्योर. अगर तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ तो मैं पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दूंगी हॉल को. So you guys have already seen the blushes. I love their blushes. So I got one for my mom, one for my sister, one for Bahu, and like I got it for everyone. I'm not going to unbox this because I'm going to gift it. So yes, this is the set I was talking about. I got 2 black, 1 magenta, and then 1 this purple. These were set of 4. Then I have this brush. You already have seen it if you have seen my previous haul from Shein. You guys have seen this brush as well. This is like their very pretty, super cute. It has a cat paw on it. It's very cute and it works also really nicely. So yeah, this is for Bahu. This is going to be the part 2, I'm pretty sure. Then I got this iPad का cover. Look at this. You know, India में iPad के covers are so expensive, but on Shein it was expensive, no doubt, but it was like India में जैसे मैंने लिया था 1500 का एक cover, and this is for like I think 700, 800, 600, 700 rupees. So this is like not bad. This is like other one that I got is the one I'm using right now. Wait, I'll show you. This is the another one. This is also very beautiful. I'm using it right now. Next I got, I'm actually packing everything as well because I don't want, because I have like a room and it's like I don't want to make a mess, because after this video only I have to settle this down. Okay, then I got press on nails. I've heard Shein के press on nails are amazing. Press on nails honestly मुझे इतने पसंद नहीं है because बहुत जल्दी से उतर जाते हैं. So it's like ठीक है, ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है, राइट? तो मैंने इसीलिए मंगवा लिया. We have another bag. This is another bag. This is like a really cute one. Bahu got this for herself. मैंने जैसे बताया ना, मैंने सभी के लिए मंगाया कुछ ना कुछ. It has a sling as well inside, so you can use it like for that. And it's very cute, casual bag. I got so many covers. Okay. So this is another cover that I got. It's like really pretty because it has this lens protector. Like if you don't want the camera, just put this like that. Okay, I fixed it. It has this lens protector, so when you don't need the camera, just put this back, and then if you need it, just so cute, right? And then we have a card holder and all of that. This is so nice. Like the covers on Shein is one of my favorite things. I got another one. This has like a pop socket with like a crystal heart. See, so cute. This cover, my sister and me, we got the same cover. This is the cutest. Oh my god, they are such nice covers. Bahu का जो fold वाला phone है, Galaxy Samsung, so उसके covers भी इतने सारे थे Shein पे. Like I think I got 2 for Bahu. इसके साथ sling भी आता. Oh my god, this bag. See this is a bag and it's so cute. It has a sling as well. If you want, you can attach. Otherwise, it's like a cute mini pearly bag. I love it so much. Like I love everything. जो मुझे नहीं पसंद वो मैं return कर रही हूँ. Another lashes you can see is side. मतलब these are half lashes जिनकी eyes बहुत छोटी हैं, just like mine. Just add it like right here. This is another phone cover which is like very what you call it, trending. I honestly did not like this a lot, so I am returning this because it's like too heavy. Okay, I attached it to, it's very cute though. It's like Ori style covers, but it's like so difficult. Like it's so difficult to, you know, carry. So I'm returning this. I'm sorry, I didn't like it that much. Bag of this with beauty blenders and all. And then we have these hoops. They are so pretty. They are so big on my face, but yeah, these are crystal rhinestone hoops. Then we have golden hoops as well. This is like very Forever 21 H&M style. I love them. They are so pretty. So me, my sister and Bahu, we are going to share all of this because it's just not for one person. You guys already guessed it, right? And then these are ear cuffs. I love ear cuffs. There are so many options on Shein for ear cuffs, and their packaging, everything is very nice. This is how the ear cuff looks like. It has a bow on the side and you can just wear it like this. Yeah, you can just wear it like this. Shein has amazing accessories, I'm telling you. Samsung cover, full heart pop socket, and then a sling to carry around. Samsung के भी अच्छे, like Samsung के इंडिया में अगर cover ढूंढो ना इतने महंगे मिलते हैं, and Shein पे it was like just as same rate as iPhone, you know. Then we got these clips, these very cute nude clips, मतलब जो मैंने आज products use किए हैं makeup के लिए. And then we have another press-ons from Shein. So I got these ballerinas bellies from Shein, So I wanted these since such a long time, but I was not sure, so I got these because they are not like the top-notch quality. And then I got these shoes. These were expensive, a little expensive. I think they were 100 dirhams. So I got these. They look really pretty because they are exactly my skin tone, so they are like, and yes, I think I'm forgetting something or the other, I don't know what, but this is the haul guys. Thank you so much for watching. अगर हो सका तो मैं एक ही पार्ट में डाल दूँगी, अगर मुझे लगा तो मैं अलग अलग पार्ट्स में डाल दूँगी. So that was it for the Shein haul guys. अभी Gucci का भी बहुत सारा सामान है, but वो मैं नहीं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. But yes guys, that's it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel below, and I will see you in my next video. In my next Shein haul एक और आने वाला है. So stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye.